So here you can see we have the exporting option. Like if you want to print the chart, if you can print it here, if you want to download it, you can download it from here. And if you want to minimize this chart, you can minimize. So let's now add some more features to the chart. Like if I want to add legend to it, and like if you want to show the labels, so we can do it in the server. So let me do that. So here you can see I have added a one code. I'm uncommenting this code. So you can see I have given in the SC plot option, I have given the pie, there's a color, and this is a brewer.pl is a palette color. Like I want 6 color in a set 2, I have given here. Name you can give like number of calls. I think this you can give like numbers only. So here I have given the color by point true, and so legend is also true. And the size I have given 200. And if you want to show a data label, so within the SC plot option, you can give the data label. And here you can say enable true. And like if you want to use the particular format to show the data, like I want to use the first name of the pie, and then I want to show the percentage of the number. So you can get it by doing this. So if I run this code again, so the error called SC is missing with no default. Oh, so here you have to add the pipeline. So if I run this code again, so wow, so now we got this new pie chart. So here you can see the open one we have a 7%, forwarded we have 92.99%, and here also we can get the legend. So if you want to click here, you can click. So if you want to click this, so it will show the particular legend value. So let's now add the line chart. So let's see how you can add the line chart. So let's add the line chart. So in UI, I am going to add one more fluid row. And within the fluid row, I want to be, chart to be no box. So I'm adding the box. So I can copy it from here, this much, and I can paste it here. And here I can give line chart. And within the line chart, I can provide Highchart output. Highchart output. And within the Highchart output, I can provide the I can provide the ID. So ID I'm going to give line chart ID, and height I'm going to provide is 400. So we have created a fluid row, and in the fluid row we have inserted the box, and we have given here the IDs. So let's now create a code for the line chart. So in the server, this is for the pie chart that we have added, and similarly I'm going to do for the line chart. So output $sign line chart output, and in a similar manner render Highchart. And within that, I am going to provide, so we are going to use the hospital data again. So this is the hospital data. So what I have done, so I have arranged the whole data with respect to ophthalmology, and we have taken only the top 15 ones. So this is the data that we are going to use for this. So I'm going to give Highchart. Within the Highchart, I'm going to provide Highchart x-axis. And within that I can provide categories, and categories I can give unique, because I want unique data. So the data name is this. So I'm copying here, and I want to, in the x-axis I want all the districts name. So here it should be 1, and in the title, in a list, I can provide the title name. So in a title name, I can provide a hospital name. So in a pipeline, I'm going to add SC at series, and within that, I'm going to provide name. So name, like whatever name you want to give, so we can provide here, and then also we can provide the data here. So for data, I'm going to use this data frame, and I'm going to use this general medicine. So in a name, I can provide general medicine. So here, I can remove this and this will do. So let me run this code. Let's see what comes up. So yeah, so line chart is coming. So let me add 2 more line chart over it. And so I'm going to copying this Highchart series 1, 2. So it should be like this. And here I'm going to provide emergency room package. So here I can write the name also. Emergency room. And similarly, I'm going to do it for the third one. And this should be general medicine, general surgery. So this would be a general surgery. And I'm going to give the name here. General surgery. Yes. So I have to also add the pipeline here. So yes, so let me run this code. So yes, so you got the line chart here. So one thing more you can do that, like if you want to show that, if you want to export a chart, for that you can use exporting option. That's to enabled is equal to true. And also if you want to change the color of the line, or if you want to show the legend, then for that I can add the SC color option. So in this we can see we have a color, we have taken a dark 2 and type is line, and so in legend true, and data label also I'm enabling true. So if I run this code again, now you can see you have the value at the top of the each tip, and here's the district name, and here's a legend for each lines, and here's the option for the exporting. Also, like if you want to give the credits to someone, you can also add within that like SC credit. So you can provide the detail of the person or organization. So for now, I'm not using this credit option. So if I run this particular code, let's see what comes up. So if I click on the browser, so you can see we have all the data. And in the third chart, we have line chart here. It's looking fantastic. So we have line chart, we have pie chart, we have leaflet. So you can add more chart here, or you can also add a table to it. So this is for now. So in the next tutorial, we will see how you can add the filter. Like if you want to, filter a particular province, particular district, particular state, and you want to see the data of that particular state or district, then how you can do it, how you can add the filter option at the top. So we will see in the next tutorial.